Hello, this video demonstrates ObjSim, a lightweight patch prioritization tool based on the notion of similarity or dually distance between two objects. It comes in the form of a Maven plugin, which makes it easier for the users to apply on a variety of Maven-based projects, independent of the language they might use. ObjSim can be seen as a proof of concept implementation for the hypothesis that a patch that behaves similar to the original program on passing test cases and differently on failing test cases is more likely to be a genuine fix for the bug. This video shows how to obtain and install ObjSim. It also shows how you can apply the tool on an example buggy Maven-based Java program. This is the official website for the project that contains the source code of the system and detailed instruction on its installation and usage. I'm just following the instructions given in this website so that you will know where to look at in this website in order to get access to ObjSim as quickly as possible. I'll be using a Linux machine for this purpose. The first step is to make sure that you have the appropriate tools installed on your computer. You will need JDK 7, Maven build system, and Git version control system. You will also need to instruct Maven to use JDK 7 for compilation. In order to do that, you want to know the location of the JDK home directory. On my computer, this directory right here happened to be the home directory of my JDK 7. So I'm copying the command for setting the environment variable Java home and pasting it in a Linux terminal. Then you will need to clone the repository on your local machine. For that, you can use the following command. Provided that you have Git installed on your system, you will be able to download the project without any problem. Then, in order to compile and install the Maven plugin, all you need to do is to navigate to the downloaded folder, like this, and copy and paste the following command. Now that you see this build success message on your screen, ObjSim Maven plugin is ready to use. I'm using first example that is shipped with this repository. It is the bug chart 12, which is from the well-known defects4j bug database. I'm navigating to the examples directory and also the directory for the bug. Please note that these example projects are already compiled and I have already applied our automatic program repair tool Prapper on them. Prapper produces two plausible patches for this particular bug. Out of these patches, only one of them is correct fix for the bug. We want to use ObjSim to figure out which patch is more likely to be the correct one. This example project have already got all the information needed for ObjSim to operate. This includes the input CSV file and also a pre-configured POM file. The website offers detailed instructions on how you can obtain the CSV file and also configure the POM file. So I'm moving forward and invoke ObjSim plugin to do our prioritization task. This is done by simply using the following command. I'm copying and paste the command for invoking ObjSim. After it is done, you will see the build success message on your screen, and the new directory under the base directory of the project will be created. The directory contains subdirectories for each patch containing detailed information about the state of the system at the exit points of the patch method in both buggy and patched versions of the target programs. This directory contains subdirectories for each of the patches. It also has created a file named ranking.txt. Indeed, this file is the output of the tool. You can access the file by printing it on the screen like this. As you can see, it is nothing but a list of numbers. These numbers are patch identifiers consistent with data produced by our program repair system Prapper. So if you print the log report produced by our program repair system like this, you will be able to match the identifiers with each other. In this case, ObjSim shows that patch number 2 should be examined before patch number 1. In this case, patch number 2 is actually correct fix for the bug. As you can see, this outperforms Prapper's default ranking scheme and it will remarkably decrease the time a developer might have spent on examining the output of an automated program repair tool. Thanks for watching.